how to change language on Amazon app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change language on Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically change language on your Amazon app, all you have to do is open up the Amazon application here, and once you open up Amazon app, if you don't understand the language and you would like to change it, what you got to do from here is from the bottom you can see various icons where you have to select this icon right here, which is the account like icon. So make sure to tap on that icon. As you do that, if you look over here and then you go to the top right hand side, if you look right here, you will find a little flag like icon along with the language you've selected. So just tap on that flag like icon here, and as you do that, it is right on this page where you can choose the country or region or the language. So depending upon the language you want to change to, select any sort of language that you wish. Tap on this yellow button to save the changes as well, and once you have done that, your language for the Amazon app will get successfully changed. This way you can go ahead and then basically change language on Amazon app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.